Hey there! Today we're diving into a peculiar problem that often arises when creating widgets: the challenge of having a widget blank continuously due to mouse events. The problem here lies in ensuring that the widget remains hidden when the mouse hovers over it, and reappears only when the mouse leaves the widget. It's a tricky little issue that can cause quite a bit of frustration. Now, let's delve into the solution for this tricky problem. By utilizing a clever technique involving moving the window away and using a timer, we can effectively prevent the widget from blinking incessantly. The code provided offers a strategic approach, ensuring that the widget smoothly transitions in and out of visibility based on mouse movements. This elegant solution allows for the widget to remain hidden when needed and reappears seamlessly when the mouse moves away from it. It's a neat trick that solves the blinking conundrum. In summary, we've explored a clever solution to the widget blinking issue caused by mouse events. By incorporating a simple yet effective method involving window movement and timers, we can ensure that the widget functions smoothly without any blinking interruptions. Remember, simplicity is often the key to solving complex problems like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Happy coding!